Hey, welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to colorize your black and white images using Canva. It's very good, very easy, and very useful. So, first you go to Canva. You're right here. You have to go down to Application Apps right here in the left bar and look for an application called Colorize or something like that. I'm going to show you. This is the application, but it's right here. Colorize. So you click on it, then you're going to choose a file, whatever file you want to colorize. After this one is right here, a pic I just got from Google Images. And then you're going to click on colorize image and wait. This actually has pretty good results. I've tried a couple images and there you go. It's pretty fast also. So this is amazing actually. The result is pretty good. Like it's arbitrary obviously because it's a colorizing by AI, but it's pretty good. So hope you guys like the video and subscribe. See you next time, guys.